Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and connectivity. Confirm both AirPods and the case are charged to at least 50%, and make sure the source device's Bluetooth is on. Once done, visually inspect the left AirPods mesh and stem for lint or earwax. Remove debris with a soft brush or dry cotton swab. Next, restart your phone or laptop, then toggle Bluetooth off and back on to clear transient pairing glitches before moving to deeper troubleshooting. You now perform software-level fixes that resolve most one-sided issues. First, in Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, then repair them fresh. This often restores correct channel routing. If that fails, place both earbuds in the case and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. That factory reset clears firmware glitches. Finally, make sure your phone or laptop OS and AirPods firmware are up to date and verify accessibility audio settings aren't forcing mono. Finish with hardware verification and a decisive next step. You should swap earbuds in your ears and test again to see whether the fault follows a specific bud or the side. If it follows the earbud, it's likely hardware. Clean the magnetic charging contacts with a dry cloth and ensure each bud sits fully in the case. Poor contact can prevent one bud from charging or connecting. If the issue persists after cleaning and resets, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.